we have seen if we have any scalar function phi, so phi is a scalar function. So grad phi we have seen is what? This is del dot phi. So this is not del dot phi, this is del phi. So grad phi is a scalar and grad phi will be a vector quantity. Then if you have any vector function phi, so now here phi is vector. So divergence of phi is what? Del dot phi. And we have seen the physical meaning of divergence. So this is amount of flux or amount of volume which is being lost per unit time, per unit volume, amount of flux which is being lost per unit time, per unit volume, right? And then we have seen if the del dot phi, if divergence of phi is 0, then phi is known as which vector? Phi is known as, yes, remember? And then last we have seen if you have any vector phi, and if you take cross product of del and phi, then what you get is curl phi. And we have seen physical interpretation of curl phi also. It has a it is twice of the angular velocity, right? And we have seen if curl phi is 0, then the vector phi is known as irrotational. Right, so we have seen till example number 12. So let us move. So if you see this example number 4 says, example number 11 says that you have to show so you see this is, then we have seen one more symbol. So del square, inverted del square, right? This was nothing but del dot del. So moment आपको ये del square दिखे, you can directly write this as del square by del x square plus into I cap. Not even I cap is not here. It is just an operator. Because अगर आपको देखो जब भी ऐसे confusion हो, you should remember the definition. So अगर आप देखो, अगर आप del और del का dot product लोगे, तो हमें पता है dot product is always a constant quantity. So this will be magnitude of del का whole square. So this will be magnitude of del का whole square. And we know what is del. What is del? Del is del by del x I cap plus del by del y j cap plus del by del z k cap. So इसका मैग्नीट्यूड क्या बन जाएगा? So del square over del x square, del square over del y square plus del square over del z square. So यहाँ पे आप कुछ क्या चाहिए? You need Laplacian function. So this del square is Laplacian, right? Of x over r square. So if you remember, r is what? R square is what? R square is x square plus y square plus z square. R square is x square plus y square plus z square. So if you see, this is what? This is by definition this function del square del x square plus del square del y square plus del square del x del z square of x over r square. So ये हर bracket multiply होगी. So every bracket got multiplied. So if you see, let us find the first term. So obviously आपको double derivative लेना पड़ेगा. I think I'll do one of the part remaining. You can see. So if you see, let us find the first derivative. So if you see it is derivative with respect to x, तो अब chain rule लग जाएगा बेटा. Because दोनों तरफ x का function है, r भी x का function है, तो x r minus 2. So product rule लग जाएगा. So first function x as such. What is derivative of r square? So पहले तो x to the power n वाला formula लगेगा. So minus 2 and r to the power n minus 1. So minus 3 हो गया. अब further अगर आप देखो, r square is a function of this. So r will be what? R will be what? R will be under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Yes. तो देखो बेटा, choice is yours. Let me do it on this side so that things are clear. आप चाहो तो इसको रफ में सॉल्व कर लो. रफ में in the sense कि you can do the analysis. So r is what? R is under root of, because हमें तीनों variables के साथ इसका लेना पड़ेगा, x square plus y square plus z square. So if you see, you need derivative of r with respect to x. So अगर आप देखो पहले तो आ जाएगा 1/2 और 1/2 minus 1 minus हो जाएगा, तो नीचे आ गया x square plus y square plus z square. और फिर x square का डेरिवेटिव कितना हो जाएगा? 2x. So x will cancel, 2 will cancel. So x over नीचे कौन सी क्वांटिटी बन गई? r. Is it fine बच्चे? सो दिस इज x ऑलरेडी एक पड़ा है, दिस इज r, और फिर फर्दर डेरिवेटिव प्लस r टू द पावर -2 x का डेरिवेटिव 1 हो गया। सो ये तो हो गया एक बार डेरिवेटिव, ऐसे ही फिर आप दोबारा डेरिवेटिव लोगे बेटा, हो जाएगा ये क्वेश्चन। एंड बाय सिमेट्री डेरिवेटिव x जब आप y के साथ लोगे एवरीथिंग विल बी सेम, सिर्फ x की जगह y आ जाएगा। जब आप z के साथ डेरिवेटिव लोगे तो आपका z आ जाएगा। बेटा इज इट फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so these exercise questions we'll take after your midterm, right? Okay, now in the last, exercise, we'll be having relationships between divergence, curl. We'll see various properties of divergence, right? So what this, so again, if you see, these are what? Divergence means dot product, curl means cross product. So हमें पता है कि कुछ प्रॉपर्टीज हमने डॉट प्रोडक्ट के साथ करी हैं, सो सेम प्रॉपर्टीज विल बी एप्लीकेबल हियर। अगर आप देखो डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ u प्लस v, right, so this will be what? Divergence of u plus divergence of v. So when you have to prove this, this is if you see what is left hand side, left hand side is what? Divergence of u plus v. So हमें पता है डाइवर्जेंस क्या होता है, del dot u plus v, right? तो आप चाहो तो इसको यहीं पे ओपन कर सकते हो, del dot u plus del dot v, because we know that this operator is distributive. You can distribute it over the addition. So if you see what you get, what is del dot u? This is divergence of u. What is del dot v? This is divergence of v. Right? उसके अलावा अगर आप आगे देखो, so what you will get? Now this is, अगर आप इसको further आपने proof करके देखना है, so you see del dot. So what is the formula for del? Del by del x I cap plus del by del y j cap plus del by del z k cap dot of u plus v. So now we know, अगर हम इन दोनों, so what will happen now? U is again a vector, v is again a vector. So now we can break this. So this will be what? I into del by del x of u plus v, j into del by del y of u plus v. So you see, I into del by del x of u plus v, j into del by del y of u plus v, k into del by del z of u plus v. And derivative we can break. So let us take the terms of I on this side plus the terms of v on this side. So if you see, this is what? Divergence of u plus divergence of v. And similarly, if you have the curl, so curl of u plus v. So same way, curl of u plus v. So this will be what? This is del cross of u plus v. We know we can break the cross product, but again, if you want to apply the definition, so you see, this is what? Del by del x of I cap plus del by del y of j cap plus del by del z of k cap cross u plus v. Right, so this is what? This is I cross. So if you see, this will be what? Del by del u, I'm directly breaking, of del x plus del v by del x plus j cross del u by del v by del x plus del v, this is y, del y, and so on. So similarly, if you break these terms, you will get what? Curl of u cross curl of v. But is it fine? Girls, clear hai beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now if you see, you are able to see the mixed relationships between divergence, curl and the gradient. So if you see the very first part, right? If you see the very first part, divergence of u into v, right? So please, this is vector u only. These are both vector quantities. Divergence of two vectors uv, right? This will be equal to what? This will be equal to del of u. So please know, this has to, if he is proving this result, then u has to be scalar quantity. I'll tell you when it has to be vector. जहाँ पे curl और divergence आएंगे, आपने ध्यान रखना है उस relationship में सब कुछ vector होगा, और जिस relationship में आपका delta आ गया, divergence आ गई हमें this gradient आ गया and you know this function del function, this is del function and we know del function is only operational on the 5 functions. 5 functions are those functions which are scalar functions. So now if you see divergence of uv, so we know divergence का formula क्या होता है, this is del dot uv. So directly अगर हम इसको लिख दें, so this will be I dot del by del x of uv plus j dot del by del v of uv plus k dot del by del z of uv. Again, if you see, we can apply the product rule here. So this is del u by del x into v cap plus u into del v by del x, and similarly so on. So what we'll do, let us combine the terms of uv. So del u by del x I, del u by del y j, del u by del z k, और डॉट प्रोडक्ट u v के साथ कॉमन आ गया. And similarly if you see u is out, right? So what you will have, I dot del u by del x, j dot del v by del y, and k dot del v by del z. So if you remember, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? Divergence of v. So please don't confuse yourself with the notations of these. अगर आप देखो सेकंड, अब यहाँ पे डॉट प्रोडक्ट, कैन यू प्लीज टेल मी हाउ विल दिस, ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट क्यों लिख रहे हैं हम बीच में? बेटा इज दिस क्लियर? ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था. इज दिस क्लियर और यू हैव डाउट? इज इट फाइन? बेटा प्लीज देखो, डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ एनी वेक्टर v क्या होता है? डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ एनी वेक्टर v क्या होता है? दिस इज del dot v. What is del? Del is del by del x I cap, del by del y j cap, del by del z k cap dot v. Beta, so the beauty of this dot product is it can be written anywhere. This is obviously between the vectors. So you see what we'll do. So this is what? Del v by del x dot I plus del v by del z dot k plus del v by del z. ये dot k नहीं होगा. This is plus del v by del z dot k. So if you see this vector v is what? You will ask कि v, ये dot कहाँ जाएगा? If you see v is a vector quantity, so v is what? v1 I cap plus v2 j cap plus v3 k cap. So अगर मैं v की वैल्यूज यहाँ बिठा दूँ, right? So if you see the derivative of v with respect to x क्या हो जाएगा? del v1 by del x, del v2 by del x, del v3 by del x, साथ में i j k आ जाएगा. तो जब आप डॉट प्रोडक्ट लोगे तो i डॉट i सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाली टर्म आएगी, तो क्या आ जाएगा? सो बेसिकली डाइवर्जेंस ऑफ v इज व्हाट? सिर्फ del v1 by del x आ जाएगा. सेकंड टर्म में क्या आ जाएगा? del v2 by del y आ जाएगा, और थर्ड टर्म से क्या बच जाएगा? del v3 by del x del z बच जाएगा. So this was the formula which we did. So you see this comes from here. So choice is yours. आप चाहो तो इसको आगे ब्रेक कर लो. आगे ब्रेक आप कैसे करोगे? v is vector, so v can be taken as v1 I cap plus v2 j cap plus v3 k cap. And if you remember, divergence was what? Del v1 by del x, v का जो x component है उसका derivative with respect to x plus v का y component derivative with respect to x plus v का z component derivative with respect to x. And we will get divergence of v. Beta, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you girls clear hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you see next part, so you have to show curl of u cross v is del u cross v plus u of curl v. So we just have to apply the definitions और जितनी simplification हम कर सकते हैं. So now again, what is curl? What is curl? So curl is what? Curl is del cross u. So same what we did, I cross del by del x, j cross del by del y of this, k cross del by del z of this. Again, you know you can apply chain rule. So this is product rule. So this is this one, this is this one, this is this one. So let us extract the brackets of u. So del u by del x I, del u by del y j, del u by del z k, और साथ में क्या आ गया क्रॉस v. And similarly, if you see u इधर से common, u इधर से common, u इधर से common, what you get? I cross del v by del x, j cross del v by del y, k cross del v by del z. So if you see this one, what is this one? This is curl of v because cross product आ गया. And if you see this one, this is what? This is divergence, grad of u because u multiply हुआ है और साथ में cross v है. So that's it. This is done. Right? So basically everywhere you just have to apply the definitions. So third part you can do yourself. Let me do fourth part. So fourth part is you have to show that curl of u cross v is equal to some relationship between its divergence and the grad one, right? So now if you see what is curl of u cross v, देखो, you might ask, so you see this is what? This is del cross u cross v, right? So again this is what? Same notation जैसे हमने पहले हम कर रहे थे. So if you want to write the step clearly, so this is del by del x of I cap plus del by del y of j cap plus del by del z of k cap cross u cross v. So if you see, we have seen this is what? This can be written as I cross del by del x of u cross v plus j cross del by del x of del by del y of u cross v plus k cap cross del by del z of u cross v. So now I know we can apply the derivative product rule with the cross product here. So you see what will happen. So just to write these terms, I mean not again and again, so we can use summation, right? So we can use summation. So what this will be? So summation of I cross. So what this will be? Del u over del x into v vector, not v vector, cross v vector, right? Plus u cross del v by del x. अब since हमें terms को अलग-अलग करना है, so you see this can be written as what? Because we need to separate the terms of u and v into some relations. So let us further shift this one. So this is what? Summation I cross del u by del x cross v plus summation I cross u cross del v by del x. So अगर आप देखो, now this is scalar triple product. So a cross b cross c. So I'm doing it from here only. So this is a cross b cross c. Again, this is a cross b cross c. So we know what is a cross b cross c. So this is a dot c into b minus a dot b into c. And same term, same thing we have applied here. Same thing we have applied here. Same thing we have applied here, right? So now if you see, we have to rearrange these brackets in the term, in the sense कि we are getting that. Now we have to see what we have to prove. So अब हमें क्या चाहिए यहाँ पे? हमें divergence of v चाहिए into vector u चाहिए, right? Divergence of v into vector u. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखो this term, if you see this term, so अगर मैं इसको open करूँगी तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? I dot del v by del x plus j dot del v by del y plus k dot del v by del z. So if you see this one will actually give me divergence. So let me write this term here. Then what you want? You want v into divergence of u. So if you see the next term, this one. So this is v, again I dot del u by del x. This is nothing but divergence of u. So you see this term will give me divergence of u. And then you will have v dot grad of u. So vector v dot grad of u. So we know gradient में क्या आता है? We know gradient में क्या आता है? if you see now, this you have to, let me just rub this portion. Now देखो, जब भी notation clear ना हो, you can just open this and you can identify. But don't get confused. अगर आप देखो, this will be a, if you see, this is what? This will be a which quantity? This will be a which? This will be which quantity? This will be which quantity?
Vector quantity.
पर हमें तो ग्रेडियंट हमेशा स्केलर का लेना है. ग्रेडियंट तो हमेशा स्केलर का होता है. ग्रेडियंट इज नॉट डिफाइंड ऑन वेक्टर. ग्रेडियंट तो वेक्टर पे हम डिफाइंड ही नहीं करते हैं. We don't define gradient or vector quantity. You're seeing what I'm saying? So please.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So please, you see, यहाँ पे if you see now, this term we have already handled. This term is gone. This term, what was this was the term which we had, which we took, the first term. Yeah, this term we already took, right? So this gave us u into divergence of v. This term we already took. Right, now we have to look upon the remaining two terms and try to see what these terms gives us. अब देखो, इसमें बहुत simple चीज है. Let us fix this first term. Let us take this first term, summation I dot v into del u by del x. Right, so if you see, if I open the summation, what this will be? I dot v into del u by del x. I'm opening the first term. Similarly, you can handle the second term, right? Then j dot v del v by del x, this will be del u by del y, please, plus k dot v del u by del z. यही होगी बेटा फर्स्ट टर्म ओपन करके. बेटा is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so if I rearrange this term, so you see this term will be what? So I can write this term as I dot del u by del x, right? I dot del u by del x, or since I need this one, I can write this as I del u by del x dot v. Can I write this term as this way? I then the second term will be j del u by del y dot v, plus the third term will be k del u by del z dot v. बेटा यहां तक किसी को डाउट है? बेटा इज इट फाइन? बेटा किसी को डाउट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो अगर देखो फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी क्या बन गई? व्हाट इज फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी? व्हाट इज फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी? आई डेल यू बाय डेल एक्स, जे डेल यू बाय डेल वाई, के डेल यू बाय डेल जेड. ये क्या बन गया पूरा अगर मैं डॉट वी कॉमन ले लूं?
Grad u.
Grad. This is grad u, so let me not write it. This is grad u dot v. और हमें यही चाहिए था. ये देखो grad u dot v, right? But my doubt is, I'll tell you tomorrow, this is not applicable, but u has to be a scalar. U has to be a scalar function, right? So जो हम जहां सारा ऊपर वेक्टर डाल रहे हैं, that I have to check कि whether there is discrepancy in the result or something. Otherwise, you see how we have got this. Is the step clear, beta, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? तो second bracket भी ऐसी handle हो जाएगी. सी डॉट प्रोडक्ट की ब्यूटी ये है कि डॉट प्रोडक्ट को आप कहीं भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. सेकेंडली इन दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कई बार क्या होता है कि हम स्टक कर जाते हैं एक साइड, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आपने एक्सपेंड कर ली, उसके बाद आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा आपने क्या आगे क्या करना है. सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, जैसे आप छोटी क्लासेस में करते थे, राइट हैंड साइड पे भी आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप वैल्यूज को एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो. सो स्टेज विल कम व्हेन यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि हाउ द थिंग्स विल मूव. इज इट फाइन?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, so what you can do for tomorrow, just go through this fifth part also. Right, we'll start with article 22. So I think fifth part you can see if you have any doubt. I'll discuss that part जहाँ पे हमें doubt आया है उसमें what you call it as जो vector notation में. Article 2 I'll take tomorrow. These properties, these are important again from examination point of view. ये वाले आते हैं proof करने. Show that divergence of grade v is Laplacian. Show that curl of gradient of v is 0. Show that divergence of curl of v is 0. Right? So these things are important from examination point of view. और ये कई बार हम क्वेश्चंस में भी यूज करते हैं, तो I'll let you know कौन-कौन से आपको दिमाग में थोड़ा रखने पड़ेंगे आइडिया. Is it fine? ये वाले we generally don't remember, right? But we should know how to prove them. So please go through this fifth part. So all of you will try.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay, so I'll stop here. Right, so we'll start with article 2 tomorrow. Absent कौन है आज? स्मृति में वो ग्रुप में भेज देना बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बेटा, thank you.